Ever wondered if your meals pack the nutritional punch necessary for optimal health? Not anymore. Today, we're exploring the realm of superfoods. We'll detail 10 cheap and economical choices that can boost your well-being significantly. These foods are beneficial, affordable, and can effortlessly be integrated into your daily diet. So, it's time to elevate your health to the next level. In these challenging economic times, saving money is more important than ever. The cost of living continues to rise, and many of us are feeling the pinch. But did you know that managing your budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on your health? Yes, that's right. Superfoods, despite their reputation, can be both affordable and nutritious. You don't have to break the bank to get these health-boosting foods on your plate. It's all about knowing where to look and how to shop. By buying in bulk, choosing seasonal produce, and even growing some of your own, you can enjoy the benefits of superfoods without straining your wallet. Stay tuned as we reveal our top 10 budget-friendly superfoods that can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle without burning a hole in your pocket. Beginning our countdown at number 10, we have oats. This modest yet powerful grain is packed full of benefits. It's not just a plain breakfast cereal, but a health powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Oats are known to provide multiple health benefits. Eating it regularly can help decrease blood sugar levels, mitigate the risk of heart diseases, and contribute to weight loss. Their consumption can lower blood sugar levels, reduce heart disease risk, and even aid in weight loss. Sliding into the 9th position, we have lentils, an economical and nutritious choice. Cost-effective, these legumes are a fantastic source of nourishment. Boasting high levels of protein and fiber, they are densely packed with essential nutrients. Their nutrient content makes them a superfood, offering a wealth of benefits. They are versatile enough to be incorporated into any diet, serving as an excellent source of plant-based protein for those seeking healthier alternatives. They are an ideal addition to any diet, especially for those seeking plant-based protein sources. Before we dive into our next superfood, we'd like to take a brief moment to invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest content, ensuring you never miss out on informative videos like this one. Plus, your support helps us continue to create and share more quality content. We know how important it is to stay informed about your health and nutrition. Subscribing to our channel gives you access to a wealth of information, tips, and guides to make healthier choices. Don't forget to also hit the notification bell. This way you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. We appreciate your support and thank you for being part of our health-conscious community. Now let's get back to our countdown of the top 10 superfoods. We're eager to share with you what makes number 8 on our list so special. Stay tuned. Next on our list, at number 8, is spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is packed to the hilt with a multitude of key. Notably, it's brimming with iron and calcium, two minerals essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones. Additionally, it's a rich source of vitamins A and C, both known for their immense health benefits. Enjoying spinach regularly can significantly better your eye health, while also helping to alleviate oxidative stress. Additionally, its consumption is linked to promoting cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of spinach can improve eye health, reduce oxidative stress, and promote heart health. At number 7, we find sweet potatoes. Bursting with flavor and nutrients, these humble root vegetables are more than just a side dish. Their vibrant colors indicate the bounty of vitamins, notably vitamin A, and minerals they hold within. Along with fiber, these nutrients play a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy body. Besides, sweet potatoes stand out for their anti-inflammatory properties, an essential aspect for those battling chronic inflammation. Remarkably, they have the potential to regulate blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for people with diabetes. They have anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Coming in at number 6, we have bananas. These yellow curved fruits are not just delicious, but also incredibly versatile. You could eat them straight out of the peel, slice them onto your cereal, or blend them into a smoothie. They're a fantastic source of natural sugars, providing you with instant energy. But their benefits don't stop at energy boost. They're packed with essential nutrients. They are high in potassium, a mineral that helps in maintaining heart and nerve health. They're also abundant in vitamin B6 that aids various brain functions. Further, bananas are great for your digestive system. With their high fiber content, they help regulate your digestion and can even aid in weight loss. They support heart health and can help regulate digestion. Breaking into the top 5, we have eggs. This superfood is a powerhouse of nutrition packed with high-quality protein. They're a vital source of vitamins and minerals. Additionally, they're rich in essential fatty acids. These essential nutrients contribute to various health benefits. They are beneficial for the eyes, brain function, and crucially, weight management. Indeed, eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet. At number 4, we have almonds. A powerhouse of nutrition, almonds combine vital elements like healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E in a delectable package. These small yet potent nuts pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. With potential to regulate blood sugar, alleviate blood pressure, and decrease cholesterol, they're truly nature's panacea. Regular consumption of almonds can help lower blood sugar levels, reduce blood pressure, and lower cholesterol levels. Securing the 3rd spot, we have oranges. Often associated with the bright, warm days of summer, these citrus gems are chock full of health benefits. Brimming with vitamin C, they enhance the immune response, while their high fiber content aids digestion. Moreover, they are loaded with potent antioxidants that combat harmful free radicals in the body. Regular consumption can lead to an improved immune system, radiant skin, and a lower likelihood of developing chronic diseases. They're refreshing, delicious, and amazingly good for your health. They can boost your immune system, improve skin health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. In the 2nd place, we have Greek yogurt. An incredibly nutrient-rich dairy product, it carries a myriad of health benefits. Known primarily for its impressively high protein content, Greek yogurt serves as an excellent source of this vital nutrient. But that's not all. It's a complete protein source, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids your body requires for optimal function. This isn't common among most foods, making Greek yogurt quite unique. Additionally, it's bursting with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that are known to greatly support a healthy gut microbiome. Securing the number 1 position, we have blueberries. These little superfruits are not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They're packed to the brim with antioxidants, substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. This makes them extremely effective in reducing DNA damage, a significant contributor to aging and various diseases. Additionally, these tiny berries have an impressive ability to protect against aging, as they are rich in vitamins and other elements that promote skin health. Not stopping at that, they even help lower blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Undeniably, blueberries are antioxidant powerhouses. Just missing the top spot, we have chia seeds. These tiny black seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica are an unassuming dietary powerhouse. They're loaded with fiber and protein, making them an excellent option for those looking to feel full and satiated throughout the day. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their heart health benefits and brain-boosting properties, making chia seeds an excellent addition to your daily diet. Moreover, due to their high fiber content, they are great for digestion, helping to regulate bowel movements and reduce inflammation in the gut. So, if you're looking to add some extra nutritional punch to your meals, chia seeds are definitely a superfood to consider. Finally, taking the crown, we have quinoa. Quinoa is often referred to as a super grain, and for a good reason. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians or those looking to up their protein intake. Moreover, quinoa is high in fiber and minerals, including magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, which are essential for bone health and energy production. But that's not all. Quinoa is also gluten-free, making it the perfect option for those with dietary restrictions or those simply looking to cut back on gluten. So there you have it, quinoa, a versatile, nutrient-dense, budget-friendly superfood that's worthy of the #1 spot on our list. So there we have it. 10 budget-friendly superfoods that can boost your health without breaking the bank. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're not only affordable, but also easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Their health benefits range from boosting immunity to improving heart health. Indeed, making these superfoods of your diet is a small change with a big impact. So why not give them a try? Your body will surely thank you for it.